Oh my god, so good.
Better than Big Mac chopped cheese sliders.
It's better than Big Mac, baby. Ground beef, form them into patties. Some butter. Nice and brown. Don't mess with it. Buns. Slice it open. Okay. Press these down a little bit to make sure they get really brown. We're just gonna mop up a little bit of the oil. In 1 packet of Sazon. Shake that over the onions and a little over the beef.
When you make a chopped cheese, don't just throw the ground beef into the pan because it's not going to get brown enough. You want to form it into patties, fry it like hamburgers, let it get nice and crusty brown on each side, chop it up, throw some American or cheddar cheese. I used American. Pop the lid over it, let it melt in. Big Mac sauce is good, but I promise you this combo is even better. Butter your King's Hawaiian rolls, broil them. Hellman's mayo, ketchup, top it with that chopped cheese, add shredded iceberg lettuce, fresh tomato, and that is it. You have to try it and let me know if you like it better than a Big Mac. Okay, so Anthony's the perfect taste tester. He's never had a chopped cheese. So look at this. Look at this.
Make
Make it.